Let's go, Brandon.
Hey there, friends. Many of you will remember when Hurricane Laura hit in August of 2020. A lot of the shooting that I did was out here at the Up the Creek Gang's cowboy action shooting at the Lake Charles Gun Club right here in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Man, look, I've shot for years out here. Probably hundreds of my videos were from here. This whole place was flattened. I mean, when I say flattened, it was flat. Since then, this part of the range over here that I film on, and the police department, the LCPD, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, and I think a security firm, we all shoot out here. This is pretty much where I've done any shooting, which you've noticed a lot of my videos. I haven't done a ton of shooting lately. Haven't had the place to. This guy out here is where I've been shooting, but I want you to see this. Cowboy action, the whole crew have been rebuilding their entire range. You guys remember seeing it. It was old school looking, had a great old feel to it. This new range that they're building is absolutely impeccable. I want you to see this. This is one of the stages they're gonna have. They built these cool looking little coffins right here. How cool is that? Really, really cool. This is another stage. Notice I walked right through here. You don't walk outside there. For those of you that are interested in shooting cowboy action shooting, I want you to see the convenience that they've created here. Even got a ramp here. If you want to have wheelchair access, you can, but also if you'll remember, a lot of the cowboy action guys use carts to put their gear on, their shotguns, their rifles, their pistols, their ammunition, any accessories that they need. You have perfect access to be able to bring that in here. Really cool old school touches that they do. Nice opening door right here. This right here, I believe, is an old bathtub that they're building for one particular stage. Again, look how wide open this stage right here is. Wide open, guys, wide open. Another stage over here. Look at this cool touch right here with the boxes right there. How cool is that? That's a neat looking look. Remember, all this lumber is gonna age in nicely and get that old worn out feel, kind of like this wall that you see a little bit further down here. Again, all undercover. Everything. It was never this big before. Again, another access here. You got steps over here. You got your ramp over here. Wide open. Of course, you see all the targets out there on the range. Another massive stage right here. Just a beautiful, massive stage. You're going to have your loading, your unloading stations, and of course where you're going to shoot from in the center there. Here's another one that they're building out as a room. Doorways right here. Really, really cool. Nice, big, thick milled lumber right here. I mean, look at that. Tell me that's not going to be some sturdy stuff that's going to last a lifetime. Because remember, we have those carpenter bees that come and wreak havoc out here. But just a cool setup. You notice they got the barrels down here also, just to give it that old school feel. And of course, you have access to the front of the range if you want to go down with stairs. And again, on this last stage, you have your ramp access. These guys have been working their butts off. I want you to see this from a distance. Just does my heart good to feel the amount of effort that's gone into this and know that they have taken this and not rebuilt it. This is the biggest upgrade I've ever seen on a range. This is absolutely amazing. Let me flip that camera around one more time. We'll do a quick walkthrough. You got to see this. Again, here's our access. And look down there. Massive range. Going on up right here, the ramp, stairs right there. Of course, that's all the tables, all these eating tables out here, because this is down range over here. All those eating tables were right over here before. You'll notice all this metal back here. All that right there, all that right there. That's all the metal from the previous facility that blew out into those trees right there. We had a predominant east wind from Hurricane Laura, and it just blew everything out that way. So again, take a wide, nice look at this. This is an absolutely beautiful, gorgeous facility that a lot of people have put a ton of hard work in. If you guys are even remotely interested in shooting at one of the top cowboy action clubs in the South, you will want to check out the Cowboy Action Shooters down here in Lake Charles, Louisiana. It's at the Lake Charles Gun Club. This is going to finish out as one of the nicest state-of-the-art facilities for cowboy action shooting probably anywhere in the South. And I would say it's going to rival any of the nicer ranges out there. This is an absolutely beautiful range. What a fantastic job these guys have done. Really proud of what they've done here.
Let's go, Brandon.